morning and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kim and this is our bountiful kitchen. Today I'm making a chicken noodle casserole. Alright, let's get going. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is I've got broad egg noodles. I've got a pot going over here with water and a little bit of salt. And let's get these in. We're going to cook them until they're al dente, just about done. Now I'm turning them to a medium. We're going to cook them for 7 to 9 minutes. We're adding 2 cans of cream of chicken condensed soup. Now in this can I'm going to measure out 1 can of milk. Okay, so we need to add 1 cup of sour cream, which is half of this container. This is a 16-ounce container. I'm mixing it up so everything mixes well together, because usually at the top you have a runny film or oil or whatever it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add half of this container of sour cream. Now you can either use a measuring cup like this, or you can just eyeball it, which is what I'm going to do, and take a half of a container out, which will be 8 ounces. And if you happen to put a little more in, it's not going to hurt you. So we're just going to mix this together. And I think I'm going to get a whisk. So we want to mix this together fairly well. And if this is too thick for you, you can always add a splash or 2 milk. Okay, that's about 2 splashes of extra milk. Okay, that's perfect. We're going to put this off to the side. Next, we're going to work on our chicken. These are chicken tenders that I purchased at Costco. What I want to do is just make nice chunks. As our noodles are cooking, our chicken is prepared. Our sauce is blended together. We need to do the topping. Now I'm going to use a measuring cup, 1 full stick of butter, and I'm going to pop it in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. And we want the butter melted. So I'm going to take my favorite Ritz crackers, put the whole sleeve in the bag, and crush them up. To the bag, we're going to add our melted butter. And we're just going to mix this around until all the Ritz crackers are covered with melted butter. We're going to put that off to the side. We are going to start our oven to preheat it, and we're going to preheat this to 350. So in a large bowl, we've added our chicken and our sour cream of chicken mixture, and we're just going to stir it up, and we're going to wait for the noodles. To this recipe, we're using a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. We're going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to add in a pinch of kosher salt, which is about 1 teaspoon, and a few dashes of black pepper. I'm going to mix that all up. I want to rinse these noodles off because I want them to stop cooking at this point. They'll start cooking again in the oven. Okay, to your mixture, you're going to add your noodles. We're going to add our mixture to our casserole pan. And now we top it with our Ritz cracker mixture. I just took the chicken egg noodle casserole out and it's done. A little done on the top, but it's perfect. So let's dish them up and see what it tastes like. Alright, there you have it, chicken noodle casserole. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Keep subscribing. We do appreciate your watching our videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!